Lesson 3, everybody. All this is a special case of linear equations when we really just have a y-intercept of 0. So it's like y equals mx, but they use k because k kind of sounds like constant of variation, and then there's a constant of variation theme that goes through lots of different equations. We're just looking at direct variation, though. So if I reformat the equation, I see that there is a y-intercept, so that is not direct variation. If I reformat this equation, I get y equals 2/3 x. There's no y-intercept. That is direct variation. It goes through the origin, and y varies directly as x. My constant of variation is the coefficient of x, which is 2/3. So for my next one, I actually have given some values here. All right. So our generic direct variation equation looks like this. And then if I figure out what my x and y are, well, the scale depends on the mass, so x is my independent, x is the mass, and the scale reading which depends on it is the y. Just substitute those values in, solve for k, plug her back into the equation, and we are done.